Scott from Port Austin, Michigan, has a question about HVAC design.
Well, he is looking for zone control for a little 6,400 square foot summer house they're building.
No, wait, that was 6,400. Okay.
Not 1,600, but 6,400. In fact,
that's clear.
Check this out. He has sent us in pictures of this place here. Actually, they're elevations. You're no stranger to this stuff.
No, I understand what it is.
But
it's not an ugly building. It's somewhat
I think it's going to be beautiful. Yeah. I love the deck on the back here and stuff. And the thing I like best, let's scroll down here a little. Where is it? Here it is. Floor plan? The 6-car garage.
I'm jealous.
Yeah.
That way I can buy 6 cars.
That's what I need.
Yes.
I need more cars.
Yes.
All right. Well, anyway, Scott's challenge is it's a lake home that they're going to use May to November. So it's kind of their summer place. But we spend time there in the winter when we're not traveling. I was thinking ductless because we can use floor heat to prevent the pipes from bursting.
Right.
Right. And if we have visitors, we can turn on the guest suites and manage energy usage that way. Or what about a whole house zone management with a standard AC compressor and boiler? I think we're going to end up, he says, with 8 zones on the first floor and 7 on the second. What say you, Tom?
If you have that many zones, then you can go ahead and use the ductless systems. They work very well, but you are going to have a whole line of compressors outside. Now, you can get 4 heads on one compressor if you buy the right unit. I know Carrier makes them because we've had them in our shops for training when I was with Houston Community College.
Daikin has them too.
There you go. And I know you have Mitsubishi. You've got some others also, right? So if you want to go that route for air conditioning, yes, I like the idea of the floor heat for the winter time. That way you can heat the whole house, and it's just enough heat to keep, like you say, all the pipes from bursting. If you're going to get into a central system, they don't really make them where you can have that many zones, so you're going to have a lot more, and then all the ducts and everything with it. So this is what I want to say. It's a big house. It is not my 2,400 square foot home that I live in myself. So you should probably really sit with a mechanical engineer that's going to design the system for you. So once you get it done, it's done right. The air conditioning contractors will look at the specifications. They will follow it. They will pull it off and facilitate the whole thing. And at the end, you'll get what you want. But don't try to just wing it. Get a professional to design for each room, each run, and the placement of the condensing units. You might have to have a couple pads outside to have them as close as you can to those certain zones. You can only have so much run of right. refrigerant lines, so you got to make sure they're somewhat close.
And they got to order them that way. I understand those ductless systems. You order the hose length on the system.
Yeah, I mean, you can, or you can actually cut it yourself. But I think around, after you go about 70 feet, then it gets to be an issue where you have to upsize it maybe or do some different things. But it'll work. And it's not a bad idea because in Michigan, as opposed to Houston, you're probably not going to use air conditioning a lot. No. And if it's just in a room when you're sleeping at night, like most people do, and the rest of the day you're out enjoying the nice weather in the summer cabin.
I'm telling you what, I tell you, being on the lake in Michigan in the summertime, that's about close to heaven as you get. I mean,
well, that's what beautiful. I've been told. Yeah. So go ahead and look into it, but get a professional to really design it. Okay.
And Scott, here's the deal. I know that there's a lot of work you're putting into this. You want the house done right, and if you want to make sure that it's been done correctly, Tom and I are available, and I noticed that you'll have those guest suites and a 6-car garage.
And our families will come with us.
Most of them, yes, just because we want to make sure we have the fully lived-in experience we can tell you. So you got the email address. Let us know when you're
when
ready.
It goes on the B&B list.
That's it. That's right. We'll be watching for that on Airbnb.
Yes.
All right. Maybe you want some questions around your casa. Well, we can help you too. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Big or small, any kind of house, Tom has helpful hints to help you get things done right. Helpful hints to get things done right. Okay, visit HomeShowRadio.com and just fill out that Ask Tom form. That's how we get our questions here. We may choose yours. If you want to know for sure, make sure you click subscribe and click that bell. We'll let you know when we put a new one up.